How to turn on DMs for everyone on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you are able to turn on DMs for everyone on your server. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now, let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Discord application. You can open it on your browser or you can just open the app if you have it like this. I'm just going to continue on my browser and make sure that you log into your account. Now here I have already logged into my account, so I'm just going to wait for it to load. And once you have done that, you will see the gear icon on the left side of your screen on this tab right here. Now you just click on the settings icon, then you just want to head over to data and privacy. Here you should see the option to turn on DMs, but if you don't see it here, you want to head over to content and social. Just tap on it, and here under content there is media and direct messages from friends. You are just going to select this on show. Direct messages from others, you're going to set this on show as well, and direct messages in server channel, you are going to show this as well. And after you've done that, just save the settings and exit out of your settings. Now you have successfully turned on DMs for everyone. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.